In this video, I will show you how you can add custom domain to Vercel. So it's really easy. Just follow my steps. And the first step is basically you want to open your project, which you want to add custom domain for. So I have this simple calculator, and here you will see your domain. So this is your domain from Vercel, your default domain. And to add custom domain, you just want to click on this plus button. And then here you have this option to add a domain. Or you can also buy domain. So if you don't have any domain, you can buy domain from here. But I have domain, so I'm going to click on add domain. And then here you just want to paste your domain. So you need to go to your domain provider. I have Hostinger for this example. And copy your domain, paste it here. Then make sure this is checked. So this will redirect your domain to this domain. So make sure to enable it. It's recommended. Then just click save. And after that, you will see those two invalid configurations. So now we need to update our DNS records to make sure our domain will work. So you just need to click on learn more next to this and also here. And you want to add those two records in Hostinger or your domain provider. So type is A, this is name, and this is the value. So I'm going to copy the value. And you need to go to DNS settings. And from here, you want to add those two records. So the first one was A. This is name, and this is the value where it points. So just click add record then. And first record has been added successfully. Then second record is CNAME, name is www, and this is the value. So make sure to copy the value, add CNAME as type, and name is www. Then paste the value and click on add record. Now once you have those two records added, you just want to go to Vercel and click on refresh. This should check your DNS records if they are added. And as you can see, the first one was checked successfully. So you should see this check mark next to it when it's a valid configuration. So you just need to wait for this second one, and it can take just a couple of minutes. And once this is done, you can go back to your overview and your domain is successfully connected to your Vercel project. So this is how you can add custom domain to Vercel. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.